Max, you get an F. You didn't turn your project in on time.
But Professor, I did my project. I just forgot it at home.
No excuses. You get an F. How about you, Stacy? It's here.
Professor is so strict. Oh man, this is the worst day ever. Huh? What's this? Huh? Swap body spell. What does that mean? It says swapazoo. Swapazoo? Why my professor? Oh man, why does Professor wear this? It's not my style. I have to get changed. Seriously? These clothes are so girly. I can't wear these. I'll use the scissors to style this shirt. Next, I'll take off my glasses and put on my headband. Now black face paint so I can look like an athlete. Now I feel confident to go to school.
Ew, what is Max wearing? It's so unprofessional. I have to change now. These clothes won't do. Ooh, a dress and a blazer? This is perfect. Much better, but I must fix his hair. This wig will save the day. This bracelet will help me look more girly. And this flower necklace will bring the outfit together. All right, I'm ready to go to school. Max should be here by now. Miss Amy's so strict. Oh, hey, Stacy. Huh? What is going on with you, Max? What do you mean? Are you okay? I thought you liked the sports style. What are you talking about? This is my style. I look so professional and fancy. Okay. Whoa, is that Professor Amy?
Hello, students.
OMG, what's happening in this class?
All right, guys, are you ready for the lesson?
Yeah. Okay, but Professor, I have a question.
What's up, Stacy?
Why are you dressed so different today? And you look so unprofessional.
I'm the professor. I can wear whatever I want. Now, let's start the lesson.
What? Fine. Okay.
Ooh, chocolate.
Huh? What's that sound? What? Professor, are you eating in class?
Oh, no, I'm not eating anything.
Really? You're eating? You know food is not allowed. Calm down. You know Professor Amy is so strict.
Huh? Oh yeah, I'm professor. So I say food is allowed in class.
Yes, you're the best professor ever. What? That's unacceptable. Shh, don't ruin the fun.
Now, since food is allowed, feel free to eat.
Wow, I love this class. This is ridiculous. You're messing with all the rules. Oh, thank you, Professor. Oh man, she's destroying my class. This question's so hard. I don't know how to solve it. Professor.
What do you want, Stacy?
It's just, I don't think you taught this part yet, and I don't know how to do it.
Okay. What problem?
This one right here. For this one, I don't know how I'm supposed to split it.
I'm not professor. I didn't learn how to do this. I already taught this. You should know this by now.
But Professor?
No excuses.
Oh, what am I gonna do?
Oh, that was so close.
Huh? Stacy, what's going on? Professor hasn't taught this to us yet, and I don't know how to do it. What part? Oh, that's easy. Let me show you. What two numbers do you combine to get -8 and -7? Oh, so x would equal -8 and +1. Yeah. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Oh, you're a genius, Max. Thank you. No problem, Stacy. This is really easy. No, it's true. You're talented. Oh, stop saying that. Don't be modest.
All right, everyone. Good luck with your exam.
Okay, Professor. Oh, this exam is so hard. I don't know how to do it. Now cheating time. Huh? Stacy, are you cheating? Professor, Stacy's cheating.
What? Are you serious? You're cheating?
No. Yeah, she's hiding a cheat sheet in her hand.
me your hand, Stacy.
Here, Professor. I'm sorry.
That's unacceptable, Stacy. If you need help, just use the book.
Thank you, Professor. What are you doing? What kind of professor are you?
What? You're judging me? If you don't copy from the book, you get an F.
What? But just copy from the book or you'll get an F.
Haha, that's the best way to get students to pass. I'm the best professor ever. Alright everyone, these are the results for your final exam.
Oh, I hope I got at least a C. I didn't prepare. What? You didn't study? This exam is important. I was too stressed. I couldn't learn anything. I hope I passed. An A+? I didn't do anything on my exam. What? Let me see. Professor!
You again, Max? What do you want?
Stacy turned in a blank test. How did she get an A+?
I'm too lazy to check the work, so everyone gets an A+.
Hey everyone!
Hi, Mr. Principal.
How's everyone? I heard that all the class get A+, right?
Yeah, it's true. Professor's just lazy, so everyone got an A+.
What? This is true, Professor Amy?
No, Mr. Principal.
Let me check. What? Stacy didn't do anything. So, how come she get A+, Professor Amy?
Sorry, it was just a little mistake.
You got fired.
Oh, man.
Finally, she got fired. Max, wake up.
Huh?
How dare you sleep in my class? Where's your project?
Miss Amy, I thought you got fired by Principal John.
What? You want me to get fired? Leave my class now. No excuses, go.
Oh, man.
Hi, everyone. If you guys like our video, leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big like and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.